Hey there, outdoor enthusiasts! Welcome back to Camp and Climb, the go-to destination for all things adventure. I'm Sasha, and today we've got something real special lined up for you, the Eiger Safari Table. We're going to unfold its features, break down why it's a must-have, and even tease you with an exciting accessory. Stick around for that one. It also comes with nifty locks to keep it securely opened or closed. It's featherweight. With its sleek aluminium frame, it weighs at just 5 kilograms. But don't let its weight fool you. This bad boy can handle up to 150 kgs. Impressive, right? Size matters, and the Eiger Safari Table does not disappoint. It offers a generous 120 by 60 centimeter surface area. And need a specific height? No problem. With 3 adjustable settings, 55, 60 and 70 centimeters. Now we're going to show you how to close it, but I'm going to speed it up here a little bit because it's pretty much the same as folding it up, just in reverse. Also comes with a handle, making it super easy for transportation. Don't think that I forgot. I promised you guys a little accessory that can go with this table. It is the canvas bag for it, made by Tentco. It is waterproof, dustproof, and also has its own handle.